Welcome to Home DIY. Today we're stepping into the heart of the home and exploring the cozy charm of rustic kitchen design. If you've ever dreamed of blending timeless charm with modern functionality, this is the inspiration you've been waiting for. A rustic kitchen starts with warm tones and natural materials. Think wood, stone, and earthy colors. Exposed wooden beams or reclaimed wood accents instantly bring a touch of the countryside to your space. Pairing these elements with neutral tones like beige, cream, or soft gray creates a cozy yet sophisticated palette. Cabinets are a centerpiece of any kitchen, and in a rustic design they shine even more. Opt for distressed wood finishes or shaker-style cabinets for that classic farmhouse vibe. Open shelving is another great addition, allowing you to display vintage cookware, mason jars, or potted herbs for an authentic, lived-in feel. Countertops in a rustic kitchen should feel natural and sturdy. Butcher block, stone, or concrete surfaces are popular choices that add both texture and durability. Don't forget the island. A rustic kitchen isn't complete without one. Add character with a reclaimed wood top or use contrasting materials like a stone base for a striking centerpiece. Lighting is key to creating the warm, inviting atmosphere that rustic kitchens are known for. Choose pendant lights with industrial or antique finishes to hang above your island or dining area. Consider using dimmable options to adjust the ambiance, whether you're hosting a cozy dinner or prepping meals. It's the little details that bring rustic magic to life. Add vintage-inspired accessories like cast-iron skillets, copper pots, or even an old-fashioned coffee grinder. These accents not only serve a functional purpose, but also add personality and charm to your kitchen. Rustic kitchens thrive on texture. Incorporate soft linens like checked or burlap-style table runners, or hang hand-woven towels for a touch of softness. Rugs made of natural fibers like jute or wool can also ground the space and add an extra layer of warmth. If space allows, create a cozy dining nook with a rustic table and benches. A farmhouse table paired with mismatched chairs can instantly bring that welcoming vibe to life. Add a centerpiece like fresh flowers or a candle-filled lantern to tie it all together. Finally, bring in some greenery to complete the look. Potted herbs like rosemary or thyme not only add a splash of color, but are also practical for cooking. Hang a few dried flowers or herbs for that authentic countryside touch. It's simple, yet so effective. And there you have it, the perfect blend of rustic charm and modern function. Whether it's the natural materials, cozy decor, or vintage touches, these ideas are sure to transform your kitchen into a warm, welcoming space. Thanks for joining us today. If you're inspired to add a little rustic magic to your home, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time for more design inspiration.